Welcome back to our Excel 365 Basics series. Today, we are going to learn about one of the most fundamental elements in Excel, the cell. A cell is the basic unit where you enter and manipulate data inside a worksheet. Everything you do in Excel, from entering numbers and text to applying formulas and functions, all happens within individual cells. Each cell is located at the intersection of a column and a row. Columns are labeled with letters like A, B, C, and so on, while rows are numbered 1, 2, 3, and so forth. For example, cell A3 is found at the intersection of column A and row 3. Understanding how to identify cells is essential for using Excel effectively, because all functions, formulas, and references depend on this basic structure. Let's take an example. If you want to enter sales data, you might type 10,000 into cell A2, type a product name into cell B2, and enter the date January 17th, 2025 into cell C2. These cells now contain structured information you can use for calculations or data analysis. To change the content of a cell, simply double-click on it. This allows you to edit the value directly. If you want to delete the contents of a cell, click on the cell, right-click, choose Delete, and confirm. The content will be removed from that cell. If you need to copy the data from one cell to another, click the original cell, right-click, and choose Copy. Then go to the new cell, right-click again, and choose Paste. The information will now appear in the new location. This method is great for reusing or replicating data. To move the content instead of copying it, you can cut the original cell by right-clicking and choosing Cut. Then paste the data in a different cell. The original cell will be cleared and the content will appear in the new one. This is helpful when you want to reorganize your sheet. There is also a quick keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+C to copy a cell and Ctrl+V to paste it. These shortcuts make your work faster and more efficient. Understanding how to use cells properly is the foundation of working with Excel. As you progress, every formula, every table, and every function will rely on this concept. So take your time to practice entering, editing, copying, and moving data in cells. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more Excel lessons that will help you become confident and skilled in using spreadsheets.